Hi students, welcome back to OpenCV tutorial. So in this session I'm going to teach you on an important library we are going to use in image processing, the library name called Matplot library function. So why we are going to use and what is the importance of Matplot library function is to create, actually it is using to create an image from a two-dimensional NumPy array. That's what we are going to see in this experiment. How it is working is the image will have one square for each element of an array, it's called a pixel, right? The color of each square is determined by the value of corresponding the array element, so which is going to be used for creating an image from a NumPy 2D array, right? So let me explain the other applications one by one. Let's start with one simple application. Today I'm going to use Matplot library for sharpening the image, sharpening the given input image, and let me explain step by step. So for this process, first we know that what is the first step. First I'm going to import CV2 and then import, of course we need NumPy, NP, and next I'm going to import. See, for that, before you have, what you have to do is we have to install the package first. So the code is go to terminal. You can see over here what I have used, that is pip install matplot library. That's the keyword to install this package. Then you can come here and let me show you. Next is type from matplot library import pyplot. So we are going to use this one for plotting the result. Okay, and next this is the initial step. Next I am going to get the input, which is image. This is going to be the input. Whatever name you want, we can give over here. So I'm read, we know that cv2 dot I'm read function, and inside to that we have to copy paste the link. Now I'm going to get my image. Here you can see the dull image of CCTV footage. Here you can see it's a dull image. Now I'm going to use this package to improve the quality of it. We have many ways to do it. It's a simple application I'm going to teach you today. Okay, let me copy the path and paste it over here, and my file name is use /garden .jpg. So now you can see here. Now after that, what we have to do is we have to convert our given raw input into RGB format. So I'm going to convert the given image. I'm going to get a new result that is going to be a converted one. cv2 dot cvt convert color. Check the parameter. What are the parameter? First one is going to be the image input, and then cv2 dot convert function convert color. cv2 dot cvt color underscore bgr2 RGB, and then plot. That's here I'm going to use this plot to figure the, to display the given that initial result is going to be the original one. Okay, so let me figure out this figure function will have the parameters. You can see first one is the figure size. Wait, automatically it will come. Figure size is equal to the dimensional array 20, 20, and then plot plt dot subplot, which is going to use to see the comparison, and then plt dot the title, what title I want to give. So here I can include inside to the bracket double quote original, or whatever name you want you can give, and then plt dot I'm going to show the original image, that is going to be the converted one, not the one which you have used. Okay, the converted one. And then here we go. Let me explain this. Kernel sharpened, or whatever name you want you can give. So that's what I'm going to do. Let me explain you one by one. Equal to np dot array. So inside to the bracket, here you can see the parameters. Here we are going to include an object, a number of iteration, integer, what kind of the data type is going to be, and object and other arguments. Okay, so let me pass the overloads one by one. So first one is -1, -1, and second one -1, 9, so it's about the numbers is all about the accuracy, the sharpening value you want. By adjusting this value you can get a different resolution, different level of sharpened images as an output. I'll show you that by increasing and decreasing all this. And the sharpened one, or final output, you can sharped equal to cv2 dot filter 2d is a new function, and there I'm going to pass my input image, see that d depth, which is nothing but the value, what value I'm going to give into it. So the depth what I'm going to give is -1, and then it is asking the kernel, which is nothing but the exact value where what you have typed over here. It's a variable, kernel variable. You can paste it over here, and then the same step we are going to see. Now we are going to print, we are going to plot the resultant one, that sharpened one. First subplot, it is going to be second one, so 1, 2, 2, and then plt dot title, it is sharpened or sharpened image, and plt dot show this variable, you have to pass into it, and then finally here I'm show, and then plt dot show. It will plot both the subplot values, right? Now let me save my function, save my program, and click run. What is the error? Line number 6, image 2 dot convert color. What's wrong with that? I think everything is fine. What's wrong with this? It's not a big issue. Let me check once again. CV2 dot convert color. Once again the same line number 6. Might be the error, maybe, yeah, here it is. I missed one slash verb here. Let me check once again. Bye. Same error. Image, everything is fine. img, that's the input that I'm going to give. CV2 dot I am read. Let me check the error. Yeah, so now we can directly pass this color format. No need to give a convert color option. That might be the error. Let me check. Convert color. Let me save this. Invalid shape. Line number. Can't open the file. Garden.jpg. Let me check what is the format of it. .jpg. So while choosing the input, you have to be careful. Once again, what's wrong? So small margin of error. Now it is fine. So that sharpened image. Now click save all, run. Now you can see the plotted one, right? So here you can see this original and sharpened image. You can see the difference, and you can acclaim that we don't see that much difference into it. So you can see the edges of these roofs and this wall and all, and then here you can see the branches of tree branches, and exactly that car tires. You can see the difference over here. And if you look at that opposite side garage, it is also that quality is much better. Now let me adjust this here by making some changes in the array, by adding some quality into it. Let me change this to 14 and go save all. Somewhat brighter it will be now. Yeah, it is more bright. Let me reduce it to 8 or 9.5. So you can adjust all vector3 values, it's up to you, but it depends on the input what we are going to get. Okay, so that's it. I'll share this code along with this video, and you can try this, and if you have any doubts you can ask me and post the screenshot in the WhatsApp group. Is there any doubt, you can ping me always, I'll be available. And thanks for watching, let meet you in another video. Bye.